welcome back to Codage VIT, and this is today's POD, minimum value expression. Okay, it's quite damn easy question. Just the thing is, you should have some logical thinking. Okay, you should have some logical thinking, and the code for this question is possible to write in C++ also, but purposely I've written the code in Python because Python have got some inbuilt features in it, inbuilt functions in it, which made my code much smaller and much easier. Okay, so anyway, let me first explain the question. See, you'll be provided with three integers, basically a, b, and c, and these three numbers are greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and using these three expressions, binary operators, addition, subtractions, and multiplication. Using these three things, you have to find the minimum value possible using these three integers. Okay, it's not necessary that you see, since there are three integers, it means you can use only two binary operators from the given three. And let me tell you one more thing. If you think logically, you cannot go for addition in any case. You cannot go for addition because if you see, it's not this question has not got a formula or something like that. It's based on your logical thinking. So if you think logically, you will find out that if you use addition operator for any for finding out the minimum value, then you won't be getting that. Okay, so we have to do our entire work using subtraction as well as multiplication. Okay, now see, the next thing which we can think is suppose if we are doing a minus b minus c, then there are more chances to get a lowest number to get a minimum number. But if we are suppose if value of a is 1, value of b is 2, and value of c is 3. Now suppose if you are doing 1 minus 2 minus 3, so what are you going to get? You are going to get 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and minus 3 gives you minus 4. But suppose if I am doing a minus b into c, so tell me what is b into c? B into c for the respective number is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. Now 1 minus 6 gives you minus 5, which is a minimum value which you are getting by a minus b minus c. So we have to go for two operations, that is a minus b minus c. Okay, and the next operation is a minus b into c. Okay, and it's not necessary that you'll always go for a minus b into c. We can even go for b minus a into c or c minus a into b. Okay, so from these four expressions we have to find out the minimum value and we have to print it. That's all. Okay, that's all. So let me move on to the code. First we have to take integer inputs. Okay, b equals to input c equals to int input. Okay, since I've got my three numbers, now see, what I'll be doing is I'll be writing print minimum of. So Python has got an inbuilt function. Okay, so what will happen over here is inside this bracket I have to write 4 or 5 values in it, and the Python compiler will automatically print the minimum value from all those given values. Okay, so see, my first value will be a minus b minus c as I said. Now my next value can be a minus b star c. Okay, b star c, comma b minus a star c. Okay, similarly c minus a star b. Okay, yeah, so I guess it's enough now. Print minimum values 1 2 3. Okay, let me just check the brackets because that's the most important thing where we might do a mistake. Okay, now it's complete, I guess. Now let me run this. So suppose value of a is 2, value of b is 1, and value of c is 3. So see, minus 5 is the minimum value. Okay, you can see over here in the question also. In the question, see, value of a is given as 2, then b 1, and c 3. Then in that case, minimum value is minus 5. See, that is what I'm getting. For 2, 1, and 3, I'm getting minimum value is minus 5. Okay, so you should be familiar with this minimum function. Okay, because see, what it is going to do is from these given values, see, this is one value, this is one value, this is also another value, and this is another value. So from these four values, it will automatically print the lowest value, the minimum value. Okay, so that's all for this video. You can even write this code in C++ or C language. Okay, but the thing is, I guess you don't have this inbuilt function in C. Okay, anyways, it's an easy question. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.